Hi, this is Matthew Explosion with another pack opening. This is a mystery booster convention edition. This is part of our MagicCon Festival in a Box series. Let's see what we got. We have an Ondu War Cleric, Path of Peace, Cancel, Forbidden Alchemy, Breeding Pit, Walking Corpse, Torch Courier, Dual Shot, Takedown, Kavu Climber, Hypothesisal, Thran Dynamo, and our rare is Thrun the Last Troll, Mythic Rare. Also, we might have another rare, Chromatic Lantern, always used in a lot of commander decks. And our special card is Enchantmentize. Enchant creature or enchantment. Enchanted permanent is an enchantment and loses all other card types. Okay.